Welcome back to this video. My name is Yahoo right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply lock your Yahoo Mail with fingerprint without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Yahoo app. So I'm going to click on my Yahoo Mail app right here. So after you open up your Yahoo Mail app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top. Then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on security. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on app unlock. Then this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on after 1 minute and you are done. You can simply go back. By the time you exit from your Yahoo, so having set it to be 1 minute lock, it simply means that each time you exit from your Yahoo Mail app, it will lock the app within 1 minute. So when you try to have access back, you will be asked to enter your fingerprint to have access back to your Yahoo Mail. So let's check it out. So I'm going to simply click on my Yahoo Mail again. So by the time you click on your Yahoo Mail app again, it will ask you to log in with your fingerprint or your whatever security pattern you use. So by the time I enter my security pattern, and I will have access back to my Yahoo Mail, just like so. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply lock your Yahoo Mail app with fingerprint. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.